Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Katie. For those of you who are new here, thank you so much for joining me. And for those of you who are here every day, you know I don't ever introduce myself. So I'm kind of trying to think of like some like clever thing that I could say good morning to you guys, but I'm only clever when I don't really need to be. So anyway. You guys know I've changed my hair, so I'm doing some looks that are kind of cool toned, and I got the Venus Immortalis palette, which didn't appeal to me in any way, shape, or form until I decided that I was gonna start going cool toned. And so anyways, I'm gonna get started. I already primed my eyes with my PLouise base in Rumour 02. My foundation is done, and I'm just gonna get started. I'm going to start with my Zoeva 221, and I'm going to go into the shade Cameo, this whiter shade. It's an off-white, and so I'm a medium skin tone. This probably isn't even going to show up on me, but I just want to check it out. Okay, so yeah, that was like zero payoff. And I'm gonna go into, you know what? I'm gonna do something weird. I'm gonna go into the color Moth. So the color Moth is like somewhat shimmery. It's not like super shimmery, but I'm just gonna use that as my transition shade. And it will actually like highlight my brow bone, hopefully. We'll see what happens. I just can't resist it. But I normally only use matte during this process, so. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Zoeva 228 crease brush. And it's filthy, but it's not. I had somebody ask me, if it actually helped with your blending to have your brushes dirty, and no, it does not. But I use like, you can get these for like $5 at TJ Maxx. I just got this one at the dollar store. It's not that good, but it would work. It works better than a towel to like wipe my brushes off as I'm using them. So, what are they called? They're a color switch. It's called a color switch. So I'm going into this color Ash, and I'm going to use that in the crease. And I'm going in with my Zoeva 221 and just blending out that. So I'm going to go back into the color Moth, and I'm just going to put that along my lower lash line. I'm just tapping into that a little bit, and I'm just going to put that up here to blend out that color. I like that a lot. And I'm just going to go in with this Moda BMX 402 smudger brush. And I'm going to grab that ash color and run that along my lower lash line. And then taking that Zoeva 221 and just blowing that out. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with my Zoeva 227, and I'm gonna go into Unveil, and I'm just gonna start packing that into the outer V. Oh my goodness. That is awesome. So this color, I don't know if you guys can see this, but it looks like a dark burgundy red in the pan. But on the eye, it's like a, I don't know how to explain it. It's like a gray, it's a gray. Well, Lime Crime, you did not disappoint me again. Lime Crime is another one of my favorite brands. It's so fucking expensive though. Like Lime Crime is a brand that hurts from when I spend my money on it. It hurts because it's $40 for 8 colors. I mean, when you think about it, it's not. It's $38 for this palette. I guess I don't know why it's $5 a shade. It's less than $5 a shade. So I don't know why. It just seems like there's so little. So I'm just dragging this color into the crease, and I'm going to take that pretty close to my inner corner. I can't believe how gray that is. That's such a trip. Maybe it's like a gray brown. That's one of the things that I love about eyeshadow is like when you look at it in the pan, it looks like one color, but that isn't necessarily how it plays out on your skin. You know, like it depends on what your skin tone is or what your base is. Like everything, I don't know, it's just really easy to affect a color with something else. And like literally, I know you guys can see this. That looks like a brick maroon, like a dark, dark maroon. And on my skin, as you can completely see, it's like grayish. I don't know. I just, sometimes colors trip me out like that. One thing that I found about Lime Crime eyeshadows is that you can't overblend them. As I've spoken before about like Anastasia, Beverly Hills, you can overblend ABH big time. But with Lime Crime, it really just, the more you blend it, the better it gets. I'm going to go back in with my Zoeva 228. And I'm just going to kind of, without any additional product, I'm going to go over, and I might actually put some additional product on, but I'm just going to kind of blend out that edge with the brush that I use Ash on. And then with my Zoeva 221. I like that. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with my Morphe M506. And I wonder if this color is going to surprise me. I'm going in with the Unseen. And it looks like black. It looks like black. It's probably black. No, it's black. I used to say black is my soul, but as we've established on this channel, my soul is actually turning into a murky gray. It's not quite white, but it's not quite black. It depends on what circles I'm running in. I really overpowered that with that black, but... Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I'm gonna go in with my Morphe JH39 pencil brush, and I'm gonna go into Unveil, and I'm gonna run that along my lower lash line. So bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. And then I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M508 smudger brush, and I'm gonna just run Unseen, that black, in the lash line. Just on the outside. And then I'm gonna go in with my Zoeva 221. And I'm just gonna really blow out that lower lash line. Zoeva 227. And I'm gonna go in with my Beauty Blender, and I'm just gonna pat this so that I can get this line nice and even. Okay, now I'm going in with my NYX Glitter Primer, as per usual, ABH brush. I'm excited. Okay, and I'm gonna go into this color Echo, because really that's the color that calls to me. Wow, I thought that was gonna pull really like pewter, like rose gold color. I'm actually a little bit disappointed. Oh well. Wow. I mean, I look fantastic. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying I thought that was going to be like a magical color. And it's not. Okay. So I'm going to add Echo to my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go in with my Morphe Morphe pencil brush from the Ice Lay collection. And I'm going to... I'm going to go in with the color Marble for my inner corner highlight. It's really just a white, but it's like got some kind of shimmer in it. And I'm just going to check it out and see what it looks like. So, okay, just quickly, I'm not doing anything really quickly, but if I would have used the Hail color, it would have been bright and it would have shown, like, it would have been like bright white, right? Like shiny and magical looking. But when I use this Marble color, it actually gives it an almost like more a dull effect, more like scully, a little bit like skull bones, like bones and death and like... So I actually like that. I like that effect, and so I'm just going to put a little more because if one is good, two is better. I'm just going to add a little bit more and hope it doesn't ruin it, because more is not always more. And yeah, I actually really love that, and I like it so much I'm actually going to add it to my brow bone. awesome. I'm in love with this. I'm gonna go in with my Alkaline, my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On pencil in the color Alkaline for my waterline. Okay, I like that a lot. I'm gonna put on mascara, do the other eye, do my lipstick, and I'll be back with the finished look. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? I love it. I don't know if you can see this, but I'm gonna zoom in. I mean, look at this blend. It looks so good. It looks magical. I was a little disappointed in the payoff, or not the payoff, but the shade of the shimmer that I used. What was it? Echo, but it looks amazing and I love this look. I think it looks great. I used the Lime Crime Velveteen Liquid Matte in Cashmere, and then I used this color Echo to highlight my Cupid's bow and the middle of my lips. So I love it. I think it looks great. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to hit the like button if you love this look. Hang out with me in the comments and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you guys will be notified every time I upload. And yeah, I'll probably post some looks on Instagram. You can follow me there at Makeup for Lost Time with 2 S's. And you guys could have been hanging out anywhere and you guys were spending time watching this. So I appreciate you. I love you guys. Bye.